What's going on, y'all? You already know who it is, your boy JP. We have another how-to. This is a 2006 Honda Pilot, Honda CRV. I'm sorry, CRV. And I'm going to show y'all how to take this old ugly single DIN JVC radio out and put in this nice Kenwood DMX 7705. Let's get right to it. So the first thing you want to do is come down to the bottom and get these two Phillips out. Alright, so now that we have those Phillips out, we're just gonna pull. Boom. By far the easiest freaking thing I have ever known. Oh, shoot. This thing should just snap. Wow. So this something that somebody else did, of course. Don't look too bad. Excuse me. Now, if you're taking a factory radio out of here, of course, you would have 1, 2, 3, and 4 Phillips that you would have to take out. You can use a Phillip or an 8mm socket. Since we have an aftermarket radio, the dash kit, this is one of those things where you literally just kind of snap it in. So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this thing wired up. All right, guys, so this is what I got right here. We got our satellite radio box right here. That's the SV300. If you want to use satellite radio on any aftermarket radio, you have to have that tuner. There's nowhere around it. There is no radio that has it built in. I don't care what anybody says. It's just not happening. The reason I don't really go over how to wire the radio up is because it's pretty simple. For one, I already have a video on it. This one's not amplified or anything, so it wasn't anything special that you had to do. You can literally just match up the colors and you'll be good. But if you do want to find out how to wire up your own radio, please hit that card. There's a link inside the card that goes over what all of these wires are, speakers, power, remote turn on, all that good jazz. But this is my harness, all tested tape, zip tied, nice and neat. We have our tuner thing right here that we'll hook up to the back, USBs for the Apple CarPlay, and let's go ahead and get this thing hooked up. All right, y'all, so using this dash kit is a little weird. I don't really like it, but this thing just literally snaps in. I think there's a version where you can actually use the factory brackets if you want to. I wish they would have used that, but it didn't have factory brackets, so we had to go with the kit. But basically, you just pop it in, you push it in, and these little tabs, one right here, one right there, they snap, and you got 2 at the top that snap in, and that's pretty much it. You know how easy to take the dash off, so we literally just put the dash back on like that, and it looks all nice and neat. Now let's turn this thing on. Boom! Yeah. But either way, this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. I'm just going in here and changing some settings for the client. Do set, turn the demo off. You don't have a backup camera, nothing like that. Go to finish, boom, boom, press agree, and boom, go here, boom, check that. All right, guys, man, shoot, until next time, this is JP signing out, baby. I'll see y'all at the next car.